Manual therapy techniques. Hi, I'm Neha from Instep Physiotherapy. Today, I want to show you some manual therapy techniques I use to help my geriatric patients. Manual therapy includes hands-on techniques like massage to relieve pain and improve circulation. Joint mobilization is another technique where I gently move your joints to improve their range of motion. Soft tissue manipulation helps to relax tight muscles and reduce tension. These techniques can greatly enhance your physical function and overall comfort. Manual therapy is a powerful tool in physiotherapy. If you're experiencing pain or limited mobility, come see us at Instep Physiotherapy for a personalized treatment plan.